Hey, good morning, it's Jeremiah, Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 22 Chrysler Voyager. It's got the power doors, power trunk catch here. It's got the brand new rear entry conversion, ADA compliant, easy to operate, low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. Got a handle on either side. These clamps keep the ramps from rattling. They are a great design. Check it out. I can take it to the ground using only my index finger. Tell our customers if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate that 34-inch wide ramp with these. That's 4 inches wider than a side entry, so if you're hauling a bigger chair or chairs, the rear entry might be the answer for you. If someone parks next to you in a side entry wheelchair van, you cannot get out in your wheelchair. Not the case with the rear entry. Rear entry have more ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, and they're more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. A few of the advantages to the rear entry: we sell side entry, we sell full size, we sell trucks, we sell SUVs, all wheelchair accessible. We have over 90 vehicles on the lot ready to go today. Check us out at mobility316.com, and if you don't see what you're looking for, get in touch with me. We're probably getting it ready right now. 800-pound weight capacity. You got about 56 inches of headroom coming inside the van, and about 56 once you're inside the van. This has a deep cut conversion, meaning it'll hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time. It's about a foot longer than both Toyota and Dodge. So if you need extra foot of room to get those 2 wheelchairs at a time, these Chryslers might be the answer for you. We already have the gurney kit installed. If you have a non-emergency medical transport, this is a great way to double your revenue. These gurney kits, they do charge quite a bit to do transport in these as opposed to ambulances. So a great way to grow your business. Headliner looks great. We got about 25 inches of room between the seats. You can do a 3rd row flip down seat if you need this to haul 6 at a time, six people plus a wheelchair. These can easily be removed, the gurney kit, so you can go from wheelchair to gurney in a matter of seconds. We have the Q strength tie downs. We throw those in at no additional charge to you. A lot of our competitors are going to charge you $600 to $800 to upgrade to those. Make sure you're comparing apples to apples. Got your tie down and warranty information there, your center console, plug-ins for all your electronics, dual climate control, rear air. Got your backup camera. We even have heated seat and heated steering wheel in this van. So the dash looks great. No holes or cracks in the dash. Steering wheel controls so you can keep your eyes on the road, and you can even sync up your phone there. And you can also operate all the power sliding doors up top here as well. Now as you exit the vehicle, simply reverse the process and you are ready for your next adventure. Now our conversion comes with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on the conversion. A lot of our competitors are going to tell you they have a better built conversion than we do. That's fine. What do you expect them to say? But ours comes with 3 years unlimited. I want you to ask them what theirs is. The spare tire back there, by the way. Ask them what their warranty is. A lot of them are going to say no warranty. A lot of them are going to say 1 year, 12,000 miles. Some are going to say 3 years, 36,000 miles. I want you to compare those numbers to our 3-year unlimited mile warranty. You tell me who has the best built conversion. Got tinted windows. As I do a walk around of the van, it's very clean. I'm looking for little dents or scratches in the van. Very well taken care of. I do see a little bit of touch-up paint here on the front bumper from a little scrape. It's not a perfect van. I'm not trying to portray it as a perfect van. The only difference is I'm honest enough to show you the little blemishes on these vehicles instead of hiding them in the pictures. If I see it, I want you to see it. I'm a straight shooter. A little touch-up paint there from bug chips, rock chips. And you hear me talk all the time how we can save you $5 to $10 grand on your next wheelchair accessible van. By the way, tires are pretty good on this. Got about 30 seconds of tread left on it, so they're not brand new. Still a lot of tread left on them though. But with one central location here in Wichita, Kansas, that allows us to do free shipping anywhere in the lower 48 states. Saves you money. The other thing, I want you to imagine our competitors with 10, 20, 50 stores. I want you to imagine all the overhead they have every month. Millions of dollars per month, folks. Not per year, or not per month. Sorry, not per year. Come on, work brain. Not per year, but per month. A couple touch-up paint marks there as well. But my point is, with all the overhead they have every month, we beat their price by $5 or $10 grand a van, no problem. So please compare us. I welcome it. Now, no matter who you buy from, get you a video of the VIN number. Why I say that? A lot of scammers out there, especially on Facebook Marketplace. That's the worst place to buy a vehicle in the world. No, I'm not playing. They'll take pictures of my vehicles. They'll cut out our sign up there, and they'll post this on the internet for say $15,000, trying to collect a $2,000 deposit. They're trying to scam you. So how you eliminate that? No matter who you're buying from, you tell them I want a VIN number of the vehicle. And my name is Jeremiah Coleman. I own Affordable Mobility Solutions. I have this vehicle here in my possession. They could not make this video because they do not have these vans. Therefore, they do not have that sticker right there. Get you that video. Protect yourself. What we do with that VIN number, run a Carfax on every single one of our vehicles before we buy it. Check it out. 1 owner, no accidents or damage. Last owned as a commercial vehicle. I like the commercial vehicles. It means they've been adult driven, well taken care of. Last owned in Salt, rust-free California. Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is one owner, clean title, no accidents. Carfax shows no structural damage, airbags have never deployed, odometer's accurate, no open recalls, and does show the vehicle went into service June 30th of 2022. So it meets the specs to be under the full factory warranty from Chrysler until June 30th, 2027, or 60,000 miles, whichever comes first. Now, no matter who you do business with, find them online, check out their ratings and reviews. Find us on eBay, look at us, 1,580 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback, 100%. I'd say that's a good reputation. And no matter who you do business with, find them on Google, make sure they are a real company, make sure they have a handful of reviews. Check out our 4.8 out of 5-star reviews, 326 reviews total. I hear horror stories all the time about people buying from a general public or low-end dealers, dealers with 1 and 2 and 3-star reviews instead of the 4.8 like we have. They end up buying a vehicle that's got a salvage title they weren't told about, flood damage they weren't notified of, major mechanical issues, engine, transmission, electrical, you name it all. You name it, I've heard it all. So hey, if you want the 1 and 2 and 3-star experiences, you go ahead and roll the dice with the general public and low-end dealers. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service and the best prices in the country, I look forward to working with you. All right, another great feature about this van, it's got the remote start. Hit the remote start button, van fires right up. So if you want to come out to a nice air-conditioned van, this time of year, you want to come out to nice heated seats, heated steering wheel, ready to go, nice defrosted windows, you've got that option. We do have one key. We can get additional keys made on your dime. I do like the push button start in here, so if the key is in your pocket or your purse, you simply have to put your foot on the brake, push the start button, no having to dig out the key. 47,887 miles. You saw the check engine lights work and everything, and they all go out. So no check engine lights on, no airbag, none of that. Got your backup camera there. And like I mentioned, we do have the heated seats and heated steering wheel. Check that out. So that's it up there. There we go. Nice option to have. I have a backup camera, I already mentioned that. Turn on the radio here real quick so you can hear it. Radio works just fine. So I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We test all the power, mirrors, windows, and locks. I'm going to show you the mirrors and windows working right now. We test the heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, steering, brakes, tires, taking these on a road test, replace fluids as necessary. My point is, we do not just run these through the car wash and put them on the lot. They go through a very thorough inspection before they hit my lot. If you want to use this van commercially, you want the doors manual, simple as hitting that button. Doors open quickly without risk of breaking them. Second row seats are the vinyl seats. If you get any spills or mess on them, it's easy to clean. Like I said, you can take out this gurney kit with these knobs here. It can be done in a matter of seconds. So you can from gurney to wheelchair back and forth in no time. Get your rear air controls. And let me pop the hood here so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood, got a 3.6 V6 engine, idles smoothly. No signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks. Purrs like a kitten. Underneath the van, much of the same. Very clean, no signs of any bent metal from an accident. No signs of any oil or fluid leaks. No signs of any water damage from being in a flood. And no signs of any rust from being up north. That's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it's 2022, they assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's never been in a bad accident or a flood. That is the most dangerous thing you can do when buying a used vehicle, or even a new one. Bought a brand new Ford Transit the other day at auction that had flood damage. My point is, if new vehicles can have major issues, imagine what used vehicles can have. So no matter who you deal with, go check out my competition. I don't care if it's another dealer. I don't care if it's a private individual. I want you to ask yourself, do they show me thousands of reviews online, so you know you're dealing with someone honest, reputable, and fair? Do they show you a free Carfax so you can see the vehicle's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage, never been in a flood? Do they give you a get on their hands and knees, even bother taking pictures, much less a detailed video of the undercarriage so you can see no signs of any flood damage, no signs of any accidents going on here? Do they get up on the roof and show you there's no hail damage, no holes being drilled in from a taxi? You know how many vehicles I see at auction every week that have the roof is just trashed with hail damage, got holes drilled in it, but no one fixes the roof. The sellers don't fix the roof because no one looks at the roof. You know who looks at the roof? Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility. That's who looks at the roof. So when it comes to price, when it comes to reputation, when it comes to how thorough they are and showing you the exact vehicle that's going to show up in your driveway, I beg you to compare me to the competition. Tell me what ends up happening. You end up buying a van you can't get a title for, or it's got frame damage from a flood or an accident. In both those cases and in many more situations, if you can't title it, you can't drive it, you just bought a 4,000 pound paperweight. So to avoid those issues and so many more, do 4 things before you buy from anybody. Demand a detailed video like this, not some lazy 30-second walk around. Folks, you're not buying a $100 handbag off Amazon. This is a major purchase. Demand a detailed video. Second, demand a Carfax report. Yes, Carfax costs me thousands of dollars per month, but I spend that money because I'm a responsible buyer. I run a Carfax on everything before I buy it. That only benefits you as the consumer. Demand that Carfax report. Third, get online, find out who you're buying from, check out their reputation and reviews, make sure they are a real person. Do not get scammed. Lazy buyers get scammed. Don't be a lazy buyer. Finally, demand a warranty. Like I said, I get up on the roof, show you what's going on up here. Nothing's going on up here. That's exactly what we want. But demand that warranty. Our van meets the specs to be under the full factory warranty from Chrysler and has the conversion warranty as well. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this Voyager home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure that it's roadworthy. You'll see this entire test drive. The steering wheel is nice and straight. No unusual vibration or noise. See if I can get up to 70 if traffic will let me. And got right up about 70 miles an hour. Runs and drives very nice down the highway. I've got the cruise control set. Cruise works good. Do keep in mind the vehicle meets the specs to be under the factory warranty from Chrysler for the powertrain. We do have factory type warranties that go in from 90 days all the way up to 8 years and everywhere in between. Talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long term. Also keep in mind we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers have a real nice price online. What they have hidden in the fine print is $500 administrative fee. They've got document fees, they've got tag fees, they've got freight. You name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up the cost of all their hidden fees and the cost of shipping, that real nice price you saw online just jumped $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about shipping and fees before you buy, or sit back, relax, let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it major mechanical issues? You know, I can't speak for them, but one thing I can speak for that in any business, but none more important than the used car business, transparency is key. And that's exactly why I'm out here making this video today, to be 100% transparent with you. So keep that in mind when you're out shopping. I'm going to give the van a nice hard brake at the bottom of this ramp. You'll see no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. All exactly what we're looking for. And if you'd like to give us a call, or preferably a text. Text is the fastest way to get a hold of us. That way anyone in our shop can respond to you as soon as possible. Call or text 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. That is the direct line to reach out to, call or text me. I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you a direct line to call or text the owner. Or do you have to call in and talk to an automated system, end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person. It's that super aggressive, pushy, used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, you definitely want to avoid that annoying used car salesman, give us a call, give us a text. We'll walk you through start to finish. And I promise you, I'm going to sell this Voyager, whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. Yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address, and if computers aren't your thing, get in touch with us. We can give you a call and take an application over the phone. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or a mobility vehicle. Again, get in touch with us. I can explain how all that works. And if you ever do want to come in to visit us, we welcome that, but we do require that you make an appointment. We stay extremely busy. We have 3 different locations. We keep vehicles here in Wichita. Text us, call us, make that appointment with us, help us stay organized, help us save you and us time both, but you must make that appointment. And if you made it to the end of our video, thanks for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but like I mentioned earlier, I know it's a major purchase. I'm trying to be as thorough as I possibly can. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, dozens of pictures of every vehicle, and no hidden fees, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough and transparent mobility dealership in the entire country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316 mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking us out at Mobility 316, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Give us that call or text today, and I hope you have yourself a wonderful day.